Start, beta.
My name is Sanaya. I am 8 years old. Today I'm going to sing a song. Love is something that you give it away. Give it away. Give it away. Love is something that you give it away. And it comes back calling to you. It's like a magic penny. Hold it tight and you don't have any. Lend it, spend it, give it away. And it comes back rolling to you. It's like a magic penny. Hold it tight and you don't have any. Lend it, spend it, give it away. And it comes back rolling to you. Respect is something that you give it away. Give it away. Give it away. Respect is something that you give it away. And it comes back rolling to you. It's like a magic pen. Hold it tight and you don't have any. Lend it, spend it, give it away. And it comes back rolling to you. Knowledge is something that you give it away. Give it away. Give it away. Knowledge is something that you give it away. And it comes back rolling to you. It's like a magic pen. Hold it tight and you don't have any. Lend it, spend it, give it away. And it comes back rolling to you. Care is something that you give it away. Give it away. Give it away. Care is something that you give it away. And it comes back rolling to you. It's like a magic penny. Hold it tight and you don't have any. Lend it, spend it, give it away. And it comes back rolling to you. Thank you.
Oh, oh, that was excellent, baby. That was excellent.
Thank you, Mom.
So children, you know what Shania said? She said love, knowledge, care. These are the things which you should give and you also get it back. Okay? जितना आप दोगे उतना आपको return भी मिलेगा. That's a very beautiful song, Shania. Very good. How did you learn it, beta? You're unmute. Wait. How did you learn it?
Ma'am, in my first grade, my Udvala ma'am taught us.
That's a beautiful song, bacha. Very good. Very nice. Come on, let's clap for Shania.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fantastic. Very good, bacha. So, we have next is Rashi and then Krishnam. Ready, Rashi? Rashi, beta, kahan ho? Idhar ho aap? I have unmuted you, beta. Rashi, if you're going to dance, do you want me to play the song or you will play it, beta? You can keep yourself on unmute.
We played.
You can play the song?
Yes.
Acha. Okay, everyone, get ready for a beautiful dance. Yes, Rashi. Volume, volume.
महसूस हुआ है लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा वो आजमा के देख यही गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा
Volume, that's nice. Very good, beta. So Rashi, who taught you the dance? आपने म्यूट कर लिया, रुक जाओ, मैं आपको अनम्यूट कर देती हूँ फिर से. So Rashi, who taught you dance?
My sister.
Oh, she is a big sister. क्या? She is elder sister. हाँ, इसीलिए अच्छे अच्छे डांस आ गया. Everyone clap for Rashi. Very good, Rashi. Shabash beta. Very good. Next one is Krishnam.
Thank you,
Krish-
teacher.
Krishnam, are you ready? Gargi, go wash your hands. Chichi girl. Krishnam, are you ready? Your screen is frozen, Krishnam. I think you will get chance for one performance only. Krishnam, you have to decide what you want to do. Okay.
And I will narrate the story.
ठीक है. Okay, बच्चा.
Ma'am, my name is Krishna. I am 8 years old. And today I am going to be telling a story.
We can't see your video, beta. Krishnam. Krishnam. Okay, I don't know what is the problem. Let's take another kid. So what are you going to perform?
Hello, my name is Kathy and I am 7 years old. Today I am going to tell a story.
Okay.
It is about Shikari, Shambhu and the dacoit.
Oh.
Once Shambhu was walking with his wife Shanti. Then they were walking in the forest when suddenly somebody came running. And then he said, "Run, run, run for your lives. There is a dacoit coming, Baga and his gang." Then Shambhu was very scared that he ran away. Then Shanti was seeing behind where Shambhu was, and then Shambhu was gone. She was thinking, "Shambhu, where are you?" She was thinking. Then until he reached a place, Shambhu reached a place and where he had saved his life from the dacoit. Then, but before long, Baga and his gang came. Then he had to do all the work. Then they told that our little friend is not well, so you have to do all the work. And then he had to do all the work day and night. Then while he was sleeping, what happened is he could hear the horse neighing like, "Oh, oh, oh." And then he was thinking, what is that sound? And then when he saw and when he went to Baga, he saw that he had a wound in his leg. Then he was telling, "Poor little thing, I wish I could help." Then what happened is he saw some leaves that looked familiar to him. He thought, "Doctor taught me that these leaves might help cure a wound." Then he took the leaf from the branch and broke it in half. Then he put it around and he said, "I hope it works." And then he went to sleep. Then when he woke up the next morning, he saw that the horse was better. Then the horse was telling that he wants him to take a ride. "You want me to take a ride?" asked Shambhu. Then he climbed onto the horse and then he went on. Then his gang and he hit through a wall. Baga hit through the wall and he jumped over. Then Shambhu was like, "No, what are you doing? And then he was so scared, but he landed down on the right place. Then what happened? His gang was waiting for them. And then they were like, "Oh, Shampoo, we have been searching for you. Thank God you're back," said the people. Then what happened is that Bhaga and his gang came, and then he's telling, "Get him!" And then he told, "Uh-oh," and then they got captured. Then what happened is he went back and he was back. Then after that, his mom, the the wife's mom, Shanti's mom told, you left Shanti, your wife, and you went. How ruthless you are." And then that's the end.
Oh, okay, that was a fun story. So, do you read this Tinkle? Is this
Yes,
the
ma'am. It is
story?
from Tinkle. It is from
Ah,
Tinkle.
yes. You know, even I read Tinkle. Then my son Samanyu reads Tinkle, and Samanyu's Papa Shrikant also reads Tinkle. We all read Tinkle, and we all like Tinkle magazine. Okay, that was a good story. Come on, everyone, let's clap for Khyati. Fantastic, very good. So next one, let's go back to Krishnam.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. There was one network issue at my side.
Okay, no problem, bacha. It's okay. Huh.
I'm 8 years old, and I'm going to tell a story about Chimpu the mouse.
Wow.
Once upon a time, deep in the forest, in his summer vacation Saturday, he said, Mother, can I go to Nani? No, Chimpu, you have, but I have work to do. He said, please, Mama, please. And then you go. He said, okay, Mama, yay! Then, when he was in the dolak, he was starting at a word. Then he started saying, चल मेरे ढोलक डूम डूम, नानी के घर चले हम और तुम, डुम डुम डुम. On his way, he met a lion.
Oh.
I will eat you. He said, Lion, you eat me once I come from Nani's house and become fat after eating samosa, vada pav, ice cream, chocolates. Then, okay, but when you come, I will eat you. Okay, Lion, he said, and he again started. Chal, chal mere dholak makadum, Nani, dumadum. Then he met the cheetah. He said, Simbu, I will eat you. Cheetah, I will go to Nani's house. I become fat after eating vada pav, samosa, chocolates and sweets. Then you eat me. He said, okay, but after you come from Nani's house, I will eat you. Then he again said, चल मेरे ढोलक ढुमक ढुम, नानी के घर चले हम और तुम, ढुमक ढुम. Then he reached his Nani's house. He said, Nani. Then they would dance together. They sang, they hugged, and they ate lots of junk food. Then afterwards, his mama's phone came. Chimpu, it's time to come home. He said, okay, Mama. And after that, he cut the phone and started crying. Ah! Nani asked, what happened, Chimpu? I told lion and cheetah that they can eat me after I come from your house. Then she said, take this chili spray. Okay? And spray in their eyes. Okay? Then he again sat in his dholak and he started singing. चल मेरे ढोलक ढुमक ढुम, मम्मा के घर चले हम और तुम, ढुमक ढुम ढुमक ढुम ढुमक ढुम. Then on the way he met the lion. He said, lion said, now it's time to eat you. But he said, come little closer, lion. And he sprayed the chili spray in his eyes. And then he started crying. What did you put in my eyes? And he said, chili spray, lion. And then he ran away. Then he again started, चल मेरे ढोलक ढुमक ढुम, ना मम्मा के घर चले हम और तुम. And on the way he met cheetah. He said, now it's time to eat you. He said, cheetah, cheetah, come little closer. And then he sprayed chili spray again. What did you put in my chili spray? And even he ran away. And then he told Mama the whole story. And he, his mama, and his nanny lived happily ever after in the jungle.
Fantastic, Krishnam. Very good. I loved your story, bacha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I will just
Very
change the
nice.
setting.
Very nice.
Oh, someone is also saying very nice.
Voice
very
modulation बहुत अच्छा था.
Nice. You know, children, when you tell a story, there are different things actually. Like one is voice modulation, जो बहुत अच्छा किया कृष्णम आपने. You know what is voice modulation? Changing the voice as if you are the as if you are the different characters. You just be in that character. Okay, 1 second. I will just change the view. I'm not able to do it. 1 second. Okay, ठीक है. So Krishnam, it was a fantastic story. Clap everyone. Come on. बहुत अच्छे से बताया कृष्णम ने. But there was a network issue. So Krishnam, for you, I have a homework. You have to record the story same to same ऐसे ही and send it to me. I will post it on the group. I want all kids to see this story. It was really good because you used puppets. There was voice modulation. And you know, when we were small kids, जब मैं ओवी जितना छोटी थी ना, गार्गी जैसे छोटी थी ना, तो तब भी हमें ये story बताते थे. But in that story, we never used pepper spray. In Krishnam's story, he used pepper spray. Chili spray. Yeah, that's pepper spray. Black pepper ka spray. I think that was a good change as per the changing times. So fantastic, Krishnam. Very good. I'm happy. Next is Yalini, Swara, and Sai. Huh? Abhi next is Yalini. Are you ready, girl? Yalini, Yalini, where are you? I can't see you. She's here. Unmute.
My name is Yalini. I'm going to tell a story today. The name is The Tortoise and the Rabbit.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a forest. In the forest lived animals. And they lived a tortoise and a rabbit. They said we can have a race. Then they had a race. The rabbit ran faster, but the tortoise went slow. And then I'm tired. Tortoise is so slow. And the rabbit fell asleep. And then the tortoise slowly went across the rabbit. And he won the race. The moral is, don't be lazy.
Yeah, that's correct, Yalini. And you are wearing a beautiful dress also. Story was also nice. Yalini, can you get up? We will like to see the dress. इतना अच्छे से dress up हो गए हो आप. Ah, you're looking so cute. Nice one, bacha. Nice one. Okay. So, children, let us clap for Yalini. Short story, but she told so nicely. Very good, beta. Next is Swara, and then Sai, and then Harshit. Okay, Swara.
அம்மா எனக்கு
Swara,
ரொம்ப வேர்க்குதுமா ஏசி போட மாட்டேங்குது
Swara, are you there? I can't see.
ஃபேன்
Swara.
கூட வர மாட்டேங்குது அவ்வளவு வேர்க்குது
Oh, I can't see Swara. She's not there or what? She was here. हाँ, इधर ही तो है. Yeah. So, Swara, are you going to perform with your sister or you're going to do it all alone?
All alone.
हाँ, ठीक है.
We'll
So, you
perform
both are going to
afterwards.
perform separately, right?
Yeah. Yes, she'll perform separate.
चलेगा चलेगा
Yeah.
ठीक है ओके
चलो पीछे हो जाओ थोड़ा सा. स्टार्ट करो.
कम ऑन स्वरा
चलो स्वरा स्टार्ट. हाँ
ये
पीछे हो जाओ थोड़ा. पीछे हो जाओ.
Are you done? हाँ okay
बस स्वरा. हाथ जोड़ लिया.
अरे वाह very nice very good Swara fantastic no the song was also different है ना मजा आया सबको it was nice come on let's clap for Swara स्वरा किसने सिखाया डांस आपको खुद
मैंने
से सीखा
सिखाया.
कि मम्मा ने सिखाया
खुद से सीखा
अरे बाप ले क्या बात है अभी तो आप इतने छोटे से और खुद से किया वेरी गुड शाबाश thumbs up to Swara very good बेटा The next one is Sai. Are you ready? Then Harshit and Paloma. Okay, be ready. Sai, are you there? Are you ready? Sai kidhar gayi screen pe? I can see her now. Sai, ready beta? Are you ready, Sai? Wait, wait.
Yes.
Okay. You have to tell your name, your age, and then start. Okay. Okay, do you want me to play the song or you will play?
Ma'am, I am playing the song, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Huh.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez.
Oh.
Despacito, pero siento bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba. Báilame como si fuera la última vez. Y enséñame ese pasito, que no sé qué besito, bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 taqui. Tiene un besito, un taquito, mucha cosa como el saqui, saqui. Desde los mundos de Cabo al Saqui, de la discoteca Jenny, llegaron los años, aquí no me bajo, el muy sobresale de tu traje. Me sé lo que ya se sabe, la que no quiere ver, no tiene que perder. Muy sobresale de tu traje, trajo un besito para bailar en otra madre. Me sé lo que ya se sabe, la que no quiere ver, no tiene que perder. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé cómo es suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's it? Okay. It was fantastic, Sai. Only thing is your network was little poor, na? So we couldn't see it like in one flow, but the dance was fantastic. Come on, everyone, let's clap for Sai. She danced with so much energy, है ना? Full power के साथ. Very good, Sai beta. Shabash. Next is Harshit. Are you there, Harshit?
Hello, my name is Harshit and I'm 7 years old. Today I'm going to tell a story. One day, one squirrel was collecting acorns to keep in his house to eat as breakfast. One day, when he was collecting, one boy asked that, "Can I get some acorns?" The squirrel said, "No, you climb the tree and take the acorns yourself." Then he became sad and the squirrel went. Then the boy called his friends and got the idea that they can make a tower, and then he had a shooter which you use stones, and they made a tower and shot some acorns down, and one of his friends was down to collect the acorns. Then he hit the stone and one acorn fell down. Like that, many acorns fell down, and then he ate acorns nicely and shared it with the squirrel.
Oh, that was a very short story. Okay, did you read it anywhere, beta, Harshit?
No, I created it myself.
You created yourself. That's fantastic. Okay, I was thinking I have never read this story. Kahan se aayi ye story? So you have made it. Excellent. Come on, everyone, clap for Harshit. It's so good if you are making your own story. It's so fantastic, है ना? बड़ा होने के बाद you can become a writer also, and you can write so many stories for all these small kids like you. है ना, छोटे छोटे बच्चे पढ़ेंगे फिर आपकी stories. That's a good thing. Then Paloma and Smith. Ready, Paloma? Are you there, Paloma? Oh, she is there. Paloma, ready, beta?
Yes, my name is Paloma. I am 8 years old. एक बार की बात है, एक कौवा था, वो जंगल में घूम रहा था पानी के लिए। वो बहुत प्यासा था, इसीलिए वो जंगल में घूम रहा था। वो थक गया था, उसको पानी चाहिए, इसीलिए वो जा रहा था पानी ढूंढने जंगल में दूसरे। तो उसको पानी कहीं नहीं मिला। मटका था एक पानी भर का, उसमें थोड़ा सा पानी था, तो उसकी चोंच वहां नहीं पहुंच रही थी, इसीलिए उसने कुछ पत्थर गिर गए थे नीचे, उसको उठाकर उस मटके में डाल दिया और फिर धीरे धीरे पानी ऊपर आने लगा और वो मटका भर गया पानी से और वो पीने लगा।
तो moral of the story क्या है, Paloma?
Woodman. Good cabin. Woodman. Did I Woodman that?
So Paloma, what is the moral of the story?
What is moral?
Huh? What is moral? What did you learn from the story? If you need something, अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए होगा तो आप कोशिश करके अपना रास्ता ढूंढ ही लेते हो, है ना? कोशिश करके रास्ता ढूंढ ही लेते हो, प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन ढूंढ ही लेते हो. That's nice, Paloma. Everyone, come on, clap for Paloma. Okay, Rama, Sara, you joined late, but everyone is getting chance. Don't worry. We have a list here and we are going by the list sequence. Okay. So Paloma is done. The next is Smith, Sara, and then Rama. Smith, are you ready?
I am ready.
चलो शुरू हो जाओ भाई.
Once upon a time, there was a 3 bears live into the woods house. Then one day, Mama bear makes porridge to breakfast. Then they decided to go to the woods. Then Goldilocks come there. That he thought, who live into this small house? He see into that small window. He not see anything. Then he open the door and go in. Then he see one table. There was 3 bowls full of porridge. One bowl he eat and say, oh, it's very hot. Then next one he eat and said, oh, I don't like. And the baby bear he like and he finished all the porridge. Then he go to the next room. He saw three chairs. Then he said, Daddy bears, oh, it's very hard. Then he sit on a Mama bear. He see, oh, this is, I not like this chair. Then he likes the baby bear. Then when he sit on it, then that chair broken. Then he also fall down into the ground. Then he go to the next room. He saw three beds. Then he said, I don't like daddy bears. Then he said, Ow, this is very hard. Oh, this little bird is just right. Then then he slept on it. Then 3 bears come back. Then they thought, who is come on their house? Then they go. Then Daddy Bear said, who eat my porridge? Then Mummy Bear also said, who eat my porridge? Then Baby Bear cried it. Then they to the next room. Then Daddy Bear said, who sit on my chair? Then Mummy Bear also said, who sit on my also chair? And Baby Bear sit on the floor and cried it. Then they go to the next room. They saw a Goldilocks fast asleep on a Baby Bear's bed. When they come, the Goldilocks run away. The end.
Ah, the end. That was nice, Smith. So, did you read the story somewhere?
I read the story, but not now.
Not now. You know, but this was such a long story and you remembered everything. That is fantastic, no? Very good, Smith. Come on, everyone, clap for Smith.
Thank you.
It was such a long story. Okay, next is Sarah. And then Gargi. Are you going to perform separately or together? Sarah, Rama?
Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm 6 years old. I'm telling a story about a T-Rex.
Wow. Wow.
And these night warriors.
Okay.
These can fly too.
Oh, okay.
And these can remove the shoes. And I made a plane with a Lego.
Okay, but you have to tell the story.
Okay. Once upon a time, there lived a T-Rex in a jungle. One day, he decided to have a tea party. Then he had a bowl and he had some tea in it. And then he started to drink the tea. Then he decided to go and rest somewhere. Then he slept. Then 2 seconds. Then one plane landed in jungle. Oops, I forgot the head. Then one night warrior come to see the T-Rex. He was hiding behind a tree. Then the T-Rex woke up again. Then he goes to the pond to drink some water. Then he came to see the T-Rex. The T-Rex said, "Who are you?" I'm a night warrior. Then the T-Rex said, "Where do you live?" I live in a big country, the night warrior said. Then the T-Rex said, "Will you become my friend? I don't have anyone to play with." Then the night warrior said, okay, but I have to come, but I can come everyone because I have lots of work to do in the country, says the night warrior. Okay. Then they go through the T-Rex house. Then the T-Rex give him some tea. Then the night warrior and T-Rex drink tea. Then they sleep. Then they wake up. Then night warrior said, I have to go back to my country. Then the plane come and the night warrior sit on the plane and he goes. The end.
That was fantastic. You know, girls, I like your jungle and all. I like all the small toys which you used very smartly. Like you made your trees, your dinosaur, I mean your T-Rex, and the aeroplane using Legos. So that was very nice idea. Excellent, Rama and Sara. Come on, clap for them. It was fantastic. Okay. I did not know you will use your toys for a story.
More toys.
Yeah. No, toys is okay, but how you use toys in the story, it is very interesting. Okay. बहुत अच्छे. Very good. So next is Gargi, Ovi, Adrit, and then Prisha. Gargi, तैयार का? कुठे गेली गार्गी? गार्गी ताई जागेवर नाही आहेत. Ovi, are you ready? Ovi, are you ready? It's your turn now.
Yes, ma'am.
Minnie Mouse, huh? Minnie Mouse, you are wearing Minnie Mouse ka band, na? I saw it. That's nice. Chalo, start bete.
The flying tortoise. A tortoise living in a desert wishes he can fly. He makes several attempts but fails. An eagle sees him and fulfills his dream to fly by carrying him in his claws. As they fly, the eagle loses his grip of the tortoise, and the tortoise falls. He lands on his hard shell, and he is saved. He realizes although he is unable to fly, he should be happy to have a hard shell, a tail, and feet. Moral is that you should be happy for the things you have. The end.
That's correct. Shabash, Ovi beta. You should be happy with what you have. That's correct. If you try to get everything, you won't get everything. And जो है वो भी चला जाएगा. That was good. Come on, everyone, clap for Ovi. It was a short story. गार्गी, तुझा टर्न येऊन गेला. तू नव्हतीस जागेवर. मी तुझं नाव पण घेतलं दोनदा. You were not there. Now Gargi missed her turn. What to do? Adrit and then Gargi again, okay? Let Adrit finish, then I will give chance to Gargi. Gargi, बसायचंय, जायचं नाही इकडे तिकडे. Come on, Adrit.
Yes, ma'am, it is a song.
Okay. Children, you have to see what your friends are performing. Yes, beta.
Yes. आसमां को एक दिन छू के आएंगे.
Wow.
जो न कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे. आसमां को एक दिन छू के आएंगे. जो कोई न कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे. दुनिया रास्ता बनाए हम जो चल पड़े. छोटे छोटे हम मगर हौसले बड़े. हम जमीन को आसमान से मिलाएंगे, जो कोई न कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे।
वाव.
आसमां को एक दिन छू के आएंगे, जो कोई न कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे। आसमां को एक दिन छू के आएंगे, जो कोई न कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे। आसमां को एक दिन छू के आएंगे, जो कोई न कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे। दुनिया रास्ता बनाए, हम जो चल पड़े, छोटे छोटे हम मगर हौसले बड़े। हम जमीन को आसमां से मिलाएंगे, जो कोई न कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे। आसमां को एक दिन छू के आएंगे, जो कोई न कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे। आसमां को एक दिन छू के आएंगे, जो कोई न कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे। थैंक यू।
एक्सीलेंट अद्रित, वेरी गुड. किसने सिखाया आपको गाना बेटा? अद्रित, किसने सिखाया गाना?
I create.
Oh, you created. Acha. But who wrote the song? You know, it was fantastic song. Even I did not know. कुछ नया गाना था ये मेरे लिए. Everyone, come on, clap for Adrit.
Ma'am, it is music teachers.
Ah, it's a new song for me. It was really nice. Come on, everyone, clap for Adrit. It was really different and new song, okay? And now next is Gargi, because she was not there when I called her name. और उसके बाद Prisha. Be ready. गार्गी, चिवताई काय करणार आहे? Oh, again mute. Check. Yes, Gargi.
Hi, ma'am. Hi.
Yes. Hi.
Everyone.
मराठीत सांग.
Hi, Gargi. मला तुझं नाव सांग, म्हणजे सगळ्यांनाच सांग तुझं नाव. सांग.
Everyone. My name is Gargi Omkar Kulkarni.
I'm
I'm
5 years.
I'm 5 years old.
Today
Okay, what are you going to perform?
I'm performing
Today I'm performing
song.
song.
अच्छा, आता कोण आहे तुझ्यासोबत गार्गी? मम्मा आहे का? मम्माला दुसऱ्या रूम मध्ये पाठवून दे आणि तू परफॉर्म कर. चला, कारण तू माझ्याकडे तर बघतच नाहीये, तू मम्माशीच बोलतेय. मग मला पण वाईट वाटेल ना, मी पण क्राय करेन. चल, आता तू सुरू कर बेटा, परफॉर्मन्स सुरू कर तुझा. मम्माकडे नाही पाहायचंय.
जी करायचं ते कर. गाणं म्हणते तर गोष्ट सांगता
हे बघ, तू मला काल काय सांगितलेलं, गार्गी सिंगिंग करणार आहे, तुला गाणं गायचंय ना, गाणं गा बेटा.
गोष्ट गायची होती.
गोष्ट सांगायची, मग गोष्ट सांग. चालेल ना? चालेल, सांग, सुरू कर.
मराठी किंवा हिंदी मध्ये सांगू शकते मी. इंग्लिश मध्ये नाही येत अजून.
दॅट्स ओके, मला तर दोन्ही भाषा कळतात. तुला जे आवडतं ते सांग. तुला मराठीत आवडतं तर तू मराठीत सांग.
मला हिंदी आवडतं.
मग हिंदीत सांग ना, चालेल मला.
पण मॅम,
हा, बोल ना, काय झालं?
मला अजून थोडं इंग्लिश येतं.
अगं,
आणि थोडं हिंदी पण.
मॅम
ऐक ना गार्गी,
मॅम.
मी काय सांगते गार्गी, तुला जसं येतं तसं सांग. मला हिंदी येतं, मला मराठी येतं, मला इंग्लिश पण येतं. त्यामुळे मला गार्गीची स्टोरी कळणार आहे. मला फक्त गार्गीच्या तोंडून ऐकायची आहे गोष्ट.
एक समय था
ओके.
एक मम्मा गोट और उसके चार बेटे थे, बेटा बेटी.
अच्छा.
तो एक दिन मम्मा गोट को बाहर जाना था. तो उनने कहा कि सुनो बच्चों, कौन आया तो दरवाजा मत खोलना. उन्होंने ये कहा.
ओके.
और मम्मा गोट चली गई.
ओके.
और बेबी गोट ने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया, लॉक कर दिया. तो एक दिन जब वो बाहर गई, चालाक भेड़िया उसका पीछा करते हुए उसके मार्केट में चला गया और फिर से आ गया और उसके घर चला गया. तो उस चालाक भेड़िए ने कहा, दरवाजा खोलो, मैं तुम्हारी मम्मा हूँ. पर वो भेड़िया था. तो एक बेबी गोट ने कहा कि तुम हमारी मम्मा हो या नहीं, हम देखते हैं.
अच्छा.
उस बेबी गोट ने दरवाजे के नीचे से देखा कि उसके पैर काले थे और उसके पैर के यहाँ बहुत सारे खतरनाक नाखून थे. वो उसने कहा, तुम हमारी मम्मा नहीं हो, तुम चालाक भेड़िए हो. तो उसने कहा, वो एक बेकरी में गया और अपने नाखून काट दिए. फिर से आ गया उस मम्मा गोट के घर और फिर से कहा, दरवाजा खोलो, मैं तुम्हारी मम्मा हूँ. फिर से उसके नाखून काट दिए थे ना, इसलिए एक बेबी गोट ने देखा तो उसके पैर काले थे. और उस बेबी गोट ने कहा, तुम हमारी मम्मा नहीं हो, तुम एक चालाक भेड़िए हो. और वो एक बेकरी में गया. बेकरी में गया और अपने पैर एक पीछे से पांढरे कर दिए.
सफेद कर दिए. ओके.
सफेद कर दिए.
ओके.
तो वो फिर से आ गया उस गोट के घर. फिर से कहा, मैं तुम्हारी मम्मा हूँ, दरवाजा खोलो. फिर से कहा और उसने देखा, उस बेबी गोट ने देखा तो उसके पैर सफेद थे और वो दरवाजा खोलने वाला था. पहले उसने अपनी आवाज ठीक से नहीं बदली थी, इसलिए उस बेबी गोट ने कहा कि तुम्हारी आवाज हमारी मम्मा जैसी नहीं थी. वो एक वाले घर में गया. वो बेकरी थी. तो पहले उसने बेकरी के सामने दूसरा एक दरवाजा था, उससे एक नेल कटर चुराया और अपने वही पीछे नख काट दिए. और फिर से वही बेकरी में गया और वही पीठ चुरा दिया और अपने पैर सफेद कर दिए. और वही बेकरी में जाकर वो वही एक चुरा ले आया और खा लिया. तो उसकी आवाज भी गोड हो गई थी. तो उसने वो फिर से मम्मा गोट के घर गया और बोला बच्चों से कि दरवाजा खोलो, मैं तुम्हारी मम्मा हूँ. तो फिर से उसने एक ने दरवाजा खोला तो वो भेड़िया था, चालाक भेड़िया.
ओ फिर?
फिर उसने सब छुप गए और एक 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 के बदन के नीचे, एक एक अलमारी के नीचे,
ओ
कोई नहाने के टब के अंदर, कोई दादाजी के अलमारी में,
अच्छा
कोई कपड़ों के नीचे, कोई कुर्सी के नीचे, और
Oh my
एक
God.
बेबी गोट दादाजी के घड़ी में जाकर छुप गया।
ओ
चालाक भेड़िए ने सारे उसके भाई बहन और सबको ढूंढ को खा लिया।
ओ नो।
और वो जो दादाजी के अलमारी में था, उसको वो भेड़िया भूल गया। जाके वो एक नदी को पार करके उसके थोड़े इलाके के यहाँ घुस गया। और फिर उसने एक पेड़ के नीचे थोड़े पत्थर थे। एक पत्थर के ऊपर उसने एक थैली रखी थी, उसमें सारे वो सो गया। और जो एक थैली थी उसमें पर थोड़े से वो चालाक भेड़िए के थोड़े वो मम्मा गोट के बच्चे थे। और बाद में जो वो उठा और फिर उसने वो मम्मा गोट के सारे बच्चों को खा लिया।
हाँ
तो वो फिर से सो गया पानी पीकर।
ओके
तो जब मम्मा गोट को वो मम्मा गोट अपने घर आई तो सब थोड़ा बोना सामान था, कपड़े फटे हुए थे। और फिर एक बच्चा जो दादाजी के घड़ी में छुपा था वो बाहर आ गया और मम्मा के साथ रोने लगा। और उसने कहा कि मेरे सारे बहन और भाई को वो चालाक भेड़िया खा गया।
ओ हाँ
तो वो कहाँ है बताकर उसने कहा कि वो एक पेड़ के नीचे सोया हुआ था। वो जामुन का पेड़ था। तो वो जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे सोया हुआ था।
अच्छा
तो मम्मा गोट और वो बेबी गोट सब वहाँ चले गए। तो वहाँ चालाक भेड़िया सोया हुआ था, बहुत सारे नींद में सोया हुआ था वो।
अच्छा
तो मम्मा गोट ने कहा कि उस बच्चे से कि जल्दी सुई और डोरा लेके आओ, धागा और कातरी लेके आओ,
कैंची
लेकर आओ। और वो बच्चा धागा और कैंची लेकर आ गया। तो मम्मा गोट ने सीजर और डोरा लिया, धागा दिया और पहले उस चालाक भेड़िए का पेट फाड़ा। तो सारे बच्चे आ गए बाहर और फिर से सिल दिया। और फिर सारे बच्चों ने जब वो बाहर आ गए थे, उसने एक आइडिया किया और सारे पत्थर वहाँ के उस चालाक भेड़िए के पेट में डाल दिए। और वो भाग गए।
अच्छा
मम्मी और सारे बच्चे। तो जब भेड़िया उठा, वो एक झाड़ियों के पीछे छुपकर देख रहे थे क्या हो रहा था।
अच्छा
और तब गया था।
क्योंकि
और वो-
अंदर पत्थर थे।
हाँ, तो वो ठीक से चल भी नहीं पा रहा था, इसलिए इसलिए वो एक नदी के किनारे पानी पीने गया, ताकि पत्थर का उस बेबी का वजन ढीला हो जाए।
अच्छा,
तो वो नदी के पास चला गया और पानी पीने लगा, और तभी उसका पैर फिसला और वो पानी के अंदर गिर गया।
उई,
और इससे और उसके साथ सारे बेबीज और मम्मा गोट भी आ गए,
अच्छा।
और वो हंसने लगे। मम्मा गोट ने उसके कहा, जो जो बुरा करता है उसके साथ यही होता है। थैंक यू।
Oh my God, excellent Gargi, शाबाश. Very good. You know Gargi, you told such a long story, इतनी बड़ी story और इतना अच्छे से बोली. Very good. I'm so proud of you, baby.
सिरियसली मस्त होती.
म्हणून आम्ही मम्मांना दुसऱ्या रूम मध्ये पाठवतो. हा, Gargi, it was excellent, but who helped you? Who told you the story, baby? Did you read the story? तू वाचली का गोष्ट?
मी बघितली आहे.
हाँ, you know, children, Gargi told a story. She tried her best. She spoke in Hindi. She added few English words. That is okay. It doesn't matter. But the story was really good and it was a big story. Did you all hear her story? Did you all hear her story? Khyati ne nahi suna? Okay. It was a very good story. Okay, and it was very big also. Even if I try to tell you, I will forget something. But Gargi did not forget anything. So let's clap for Gargi. Excellent. Very good. Now the next and the last is Prisha. And if we get enough time, we will have our second performance round. Okay. Khyati, wait. Let us just finish first round of performance so everyone gets chance. Are you ready, Prisha? आपको unmute किया मैंने. Are you going to dance, Prisha?
Yes.
Should I put the song या आप खुद चला लोगे?
I'll put.
I'll put.
Okay, okay, okay. Volume. Can't hear. Can't hear anything. Wait. Can't hear anything. Wait.
एक मिनट.
फिर से शुरू करना होगा.
You are not able to hear?
No volume. There was no volume at all.
Oh,
So if the song is available on YouTube, I can play from here.
okay. Actually, it's Ladki Beautiful kar gayi choose. So can you please play it?
The regular one, right?
Yes. The regular one.
अच्छा रुक जा. I can do it. Wait बेटा, एक सेकंड रुक जा.
Okay.
हाँ.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
रुक जाओ. अच्छा गाना प्ले करूंगी मैं. Come on everyone, get ready for a beautiful dance.
Good English. For millions of mothers.
Okay, there is one advertisement after which it will play.
We'd like for our children.
So they are not able to hear it.
Are you done?
Are you done? Thank you. Yes, done.
Problem.
Now, Prisha, yes.
That was good. Where is the girl? Prisha, you dance so nice. Fantastic. Come on. Everyone
Thank
clap
you.
for Prisha. Very good, Bacha. Shabash. Very good. So children, here we have completed our first round of performances. We still have some time. So if you want to go for your second performance, you can do it now. Okay, but we will go as per the sequence again. Chalo, shloka chanting. Come on, children. This is second round of performances. Oh, you are on mute, baby. You can unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Start bit.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shania Sakaria. I am 8 years old. I'm going to chant Mahamrityunjay Shloka.
Oh,
Om Bhurvasvaha.
Mahamrityunjay is different, beta. Oh, you kept yourself on mute again. Don't keep yourself on mute, children, because it takes time to unmute. I have to search you here again. Huh.
Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhin Kushtivandanam Urvarukviva Vandana Ratyuk Mokshi Mamrita. Om. Thank you.
That's good, Shanaya, but you know the words, the pronunciation was wrong, beta. So you have to read it again, practice it again. The words which you pronounced were not correct. Okay, you
ma'am.
have to practice again.
Okay,
Okay, koi baat nahi. You tried something, so that's good. I think that's good. So next is Khyati. Khyati wanted to dance, I guess. Khyati, are you ready with your song, baby?
Yes, ma'am. Can you put the song?
Which song you want?
I want Rowdy Baby.
What is it?
Rowdy Baby.
I don't know that song. Is it Hindi song or something else? It's not Hindi, no? Can you just say it again?
Love you, Zindagi. Ma'am, just Rowdy Baby.
Can you just say it little loudly because I did not get the song. Samanya, she is not saying Hindi. Please wait. What song is it? Sorry, baby, I did not get.
Rowdy Baby.
Rowdy Baby.
Yes, ma'am. That is Tamil song.
Acha, okay. That could be the reason I don't know. ठीक है, रुक जाओ. I can put it. Okay, wait.
ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಜೋಳಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Oh, I think I know this song. I know. Yeah.
पपीना, take me, take me. Hey, my dear macha. Can you play again? से पूछा हजारों से सबसे प्यारा कौन है मेरे पापा, ओ मेरे पापा.
हो गया? अच्छा, that's good. Okay.
Okay.
So usually how much time you take to solve it? Usually?
Mostly 2 minutes.
अच्छा, okay बेटा, ठीक है.
Yeah. Should I start solving now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I've started.
Wow, very good. Almost there. Oh my God, that's fantastic. See, children? क्या बात है? Harshit, show all the sides. Wow. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Very good. Come on, everyone. Let's clap for Harshit. Very good. Shabash, Harshit, bete. Very good. So, Khyati, is the sound problem over? You're still wearing the headphones.
Ma'am, Yarani will play the song.
हाँ ठीक है. Okay, Yalini, I will unmute you. Raman, Sara, sit. See your friends are performing. When you are performing, we all are seeing, right? So you have to check your friends' performance. Come on, come on. Start, Yalini.
Kathy, can you hear? No, she can't hear. Mama said she can hear the music.
There is some technical problem, unfortunately. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Oh, that's nice. Fantastic. So special thanks to Yalini and her mama. Very good, Yalini's mama, and very good, Khyati. Come on, everyone. Let's clap for Khyati. She was facing so many problems for her song, but then when she was dancing, she was smiling, happy face. That is the best part. So if you have problems, you should keep smiling, and then you perform really well. So children, I'm so happy you all have performed very well, but my performance is still remaining. Maybe I will do it tomorrow. I'm going to tell you a story. I chose my performance as a story. ठीक है? I'm going to tell you that story tomorrow. Okay, children? Okay, I will just keep you on mute. I will keep you on mute. Ruk jao. You can unmute yourself, children. Only my performance is remaining. Okay, did you enjoy today? Yalini, Sri, Rama, Sara,
Yes.
Adrit, Paloma, Harshit,
Yes.
Naya, Gayatri, Smith,
Yes. Yes.
Rashi, Khyati. मजा आया? मुझको भी बहुत मजा आया. It was fun, है ना? Listening to the stories, the songs, and the dances. It was fun.
Teacher,
Yeah.
it was even fun to solve this Rubik's Cube.
Yes, Harshit, you have to stay back. I'm going to talk to you. Keep your video on. I want to talk to you.
Low battery.
And Shanaya also.
low
I want to talk to Shanaya also. Okay, everyone. So tomorrow I'm going to perform. I'm going to tell you a story because आज का time up हो गया. Otherwise, I would have told you story today only. My performance will be tomorrow. And you know, children, tomorrow we are going to do a craft. I have sent what material is needed. It is there in the WhatsApp group. But अगर मम्मा भूल गई है तो मम्मा को याद दिलाना है. Okay?